open the glove box. There's a lever right here, or a little tab that you have to push back. Push that back, and then you can slide the glove box down. Then just grab the glove box and just pull up. It's clipped in underneath. Pop the cover off right here. There's 2 tabs. Lift up on those tabs and then roll this up. And you can grab the filter. Most filters should come out a little easier than this, but there's a lot of pine needles in here. There you go. If you have any acorns, you want to try to grab those. Hopefully none of them fell into the blower motor. Take the new filter and just line it up and slide it. Slide it right in, nice and carefully. Now close the door, lock it down. Take the glove box, line those clips up with these little rods right there, and push down. And you can push up. You might have to move that tab a little bit. Close the glove box.